Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Xbox app and making sure your input is connected. Once done, launch the game or begin streaming from your console. Next, enable the Xbox game bar in Windows settings so the capture tools are available. Once the game is running, press Win+G to open the game bar overlay. This is the first actionable step that gives you the camera and recording controls. Make sure Game Bar shows the capture widget before moving to actually take the picture. With the game bar visible, focus the frame you want and consider pausing or moving UI to get a clean shot. Composition matters because screenshots are static. Then click the camera icon in Capture or press Win+Alt+PRT-SCN for an immediate screenshot. This saves without interrupting gameplay. If you're using an Xbox controller with the app, try the console shortcut alternative when available, because controller captures can be faster. After capturing, watch the game bar confirmation. Once captured, open the video's /captures folder or check the Xbox app gallery to review your images. This is where you organize and select what to share. From there, you can upload to your Xbox activity feed, copy files to cloud storage, or post to social apps. Make sure to rename or trim if needed for clarity. If a screenshot didn't save, check that Xbox Game Bar is allowed to record in Windows privacy settings, that background recording is enabled, and that the capture storage path has available space.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.